Sometimes a criminal conviction depends on whether the defendant knew particular facts. For example, a drug offense may require knowledge that the defendant possessed a controlled substance. If a defendant buries his head in the sand and avoids actual knowledge of the fact, can he escape a conviction? Many courts say no. Criminal liability can be based on deliberate ignorance. In United States v. Heredia, the defendant contests a drug conviction that was based on her efforts to avoid guilty knowledge. After a visit to Mexico, Carmen Heredia's aunt loaned her a car for the return trip to Tucson, Arizona. Heredia and her passengers were stopped at a border control checkpoint when an agent noticed the car smelled of perfume. Another agent opened the trunk. Inside was nearly 350 pounds of marijuana, sandwiched between dryer sheets to mask the drug's smell. Heredia was charged with possession of a controlled substance with intent to distribute. At trial, Heredia testified that she had noted the car's unusual smell while they were still in Mexico. But Heredia's aunt explained that she had spilled fabric softener. Heredia noticed that her mother was nervous during their trip and carried a large amount of cash, which Heredia thought was odd. Heredia testified that she suspected there might be drugs in the car, but she didn't come to this realization until she had passed the last freeway exit before the checkpoint. At that point, Heredia explained she felt it was too dangerous to stop and investigate. A conviction required that Heredia knowingly possessed the drugs. The district court instructed the jury on deliberate ignorance. The jury could find that Heredia acted knowingly if she was aware of a high probability that drugs were in the car and deliberately avoided uncovering the truth. The jury found Heredia guilty. Heredia appealed to the Ninth Circuit, arguing that the deliberate ignorance instruction wasn't warranted given the facts. A panel reversed. The Ninth Circuit reheard the case en banc.